Hi guys, my name is Srinivas. I'm in 6th grade and I'm in Woodrow Wilson Middle School. So today I'm not right next to the board. I'm not next to the board because today I'm going to be talking about tectonic plates, the continents, and the oceans and how the continents formed. So I don't even know how to draw the continents on the board, first of all. And second of all, it may be really hard to explain. So yeah, I'm going in front of this now. So before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell if you want more videos. And also please share it, friends, and please like this video. So let's get started. Tectonic plates. So tectonic plates is like a jigsaw puzzle around there, like a puzzle, like how you build puzzles. It's not like plates where you eat food from. It's like a plate, like tectonic plates. So remember like the plate you eat food, but it's something different, like yeah. So let's talk about the tectonic plates. I can name some, not all of them, some. So I'm gonna name some of them. The North American plate, the South American plate, the Juan de Fuca plate, the Pacific plate, the Atlantic plate, and the Cocos plate. So so I'll say it again. The North American plate, the Atlantic plate, the Cocos plate, the Juan de Fuca plate, the Pacific plate, and the South American plate, and the Atlantic plate. And there's also the Caribbean plate here. Caribbean plate. Where the Caribbean Sea is located, Caribbean plate. So now let's talk about what are tectonic plates before moving on to the continents. But tectonic plates are where most of the volcanoes are found and earthquakes occur. So for instance, the Pacific Ring of Fire is where most of the world's volcanoes and earthquakes occur. But rarely the earthquakes and volcanoes erupt in other places. But volcanoes, wherever there's an active volcano, they will erupt. If you're in New Jersey and if you're next to the boundary of a plate, between the boundary of the Atlantic plate and the North American plate, then it will be super rare based on your location to get an earthquake. So it may be really rare, not that common. So now let's move on to the next topic, which is continents. Now let's talk about how the continents were formed before I tell you about all of the 7 continents. So the continents were formed and all of the rocks, dust, and gases collided together to form the planet Earth. And then more and more meteorites hit Earth to form the continents. Then the continent was really big. It was a supercontinent called Pangea. Pangea was there 250 million years ago. But as time passed, 65 million years ago, when the dinosaurs became extinct, lava and volcanic and geothermal activity started breaking the continents apart. So they are all drifting north, south, east, and west. Right now, they're still drifting 0.1 or 2 centimeters per year. In Maryland, a state is moving away from England at a rate of 0.2 centimeters per year. So in about 200 years later, pretend it's 1920, and it was 1750 when the continents were here. Okay, after 200 years, pretend in 1750 a flight there to England would take only 2 hours. Now it moved right over here. Now it takes 6 hours to go to England, but that's because the continents are moving more and more west. They're moving more west. So now because our continent is moving west, and these continents are moving east. This continent is moving south. This is moving north. So now let's talk about the continents, the 7 continents. So the 7 continents are North America, South America, Africa. This is all Europe. This is Asia. This is Australia. Oh my God, this is Antarctica. So I'll say it again: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. So those are the 7 continents. Now let's talk about the oceans. So let's name the oceans now. There's the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean again. There's also the Atlantic Ocean. So these all, and also the Southern Ocean. So these all oceans are the oceans that are located on Earth. But in some geographic quizzes, they don't consider Southern Ocean because it's not part of an ocean. So they ask for all the other oceans, but they don't ask for Southern Ocean. So I'm just saying. So the oceans, so the biggest ocean is the Pacific Ocean, and the smallest ocean is basically Southern Ocean, I think. Yeah, Southern Ocean. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell if you want more videos. So bye guys, and I'll see you guys in my next science video.